Hello guys, Roblox problem voice chat. How to add voice chat? First of all, more, then setting and privacy and content restriction. And communication and experience chat. There is no chat. Then go to your help and safety and help. Click on help. Then type your box, that is voice chat. Then you how to voice chat on click scroll down and voice no and need, so your username, then scroll down your first name, then first name and email address, then scroll down email address, then scroll down is Android phone and technical support, then sacrifice experience issue and your problem, type hello